In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note on a contact in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. This is where you'll access the different sections of your account. From that menu, click on Contacts. This will open your contact list where you can view all the people saved in your system. If you have a large list, take a moment to carefully look for the specific contact you want to add a note to. It helps to confirm you're selecting the correct person before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple similar names. Once you find the right contact, click on that contact's name to open their profile. After the contact record opens, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area contains additional options and actions related to that contact. Next, click on the pencil icon. This will open the editing options for the contact, including the area where you can manage notes. From there, click on Add Note to begin creating a new note for that contact. Now you can fill in the note details. Start by adding a title. The title should be short and clear so you can quickly recognize what the note is about later. For example, you might use a title that reflects a follow-up topic, a meeting summary, or an important update. After that, add the description. This is where you'll enter the full details of the note. Try to make your description specific and easy to understand, since good notes can help you or your team stay organized and keep track of important contact history. Next, choose a color for the note. This can be useful if you want to visually organize different types of notes. For example, you may want one color for urgent items and another for general updates. The color choice is optional in terms of organization style, but it can make your notes easier to scan later. If needed, you can also add attachments. This is helpful when you want to include supporting files or related documents directly with the note, so everything stays connected to the contact record in one place. Once you've entered the title, description, selected a color, and added any attachments you need, click Save. Your note will then be added to the contact. And that's it. That's how you add a note to a contact in Gohighlevel.